Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, my name is Harmony, and today's video is going to be my curly hair routine. And I've filmed this video a couple times and I feel like it just never comes out the way that I want it to, and it's just like always something's going wrong or whatever. But I get asked what products I use in my hair all the time, so I wanted to just show you guys kind of how I do my hair. This is first day hair. I washed my hair 8 hours ago and it's still a tiny bit wet, but I just diffused it. So yeah, this is how I do my hair. I know that there's a ton of curly hair routines on YouTube already, but I'm always trying to switch up my products, and I feel like when you have curly hair you kind of have to switch up your routine because your hair gets used to it if you don't. And yeah, so this is just how I've been doing it lately. I change the way I do it pretty much every time I do my hair, but this routine is like my go-to routine where I know it's gonna come out somewhat similar, but I feel like curly hair just comes out different all the time. But you know, I showed you guys my shampoo, deep conditioner, and then my styling routine in this video. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. I'm also going to be filming a video of like my top curly hair products. Look out for that video. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any questions, let me know, and let's just jump into my hair routine. Okay, so this is my hair about 5 days after I had already washed it. It is a hot mess and it is super nappy, so I'm just going to run it through the water and make sure it's nice and wet. First product I'm going to be using is the Pantene Curl Perfection Shampoo. I actually really like it, and I feel like it does a good job of getting all the buildup out. So I'm just going to scrub my hair really good with this, and then when I'm in my roots, I'm going to scrub extremely hard so I can get out all of the buildup that has been building up in my hair from all the products that I use throughout the week. Then I'm just going to rinse that out. So for my deep conditioner, I don't do this every time I shower. I do this probably every other time I shower. So this one is just from Shea Moisture, and I always switch up the deep conditioner that I use, but I like to use a different one every time. I like one from Cantu. There's one from Palmer's that I really like. I just get them in the curly hair section, and yeah, I just always like to try different ones. So I apply this, and then I'm going to put my hair up in a bun and let this sit while I wash my body. Then after that, I'm going to rinse that out and also comb my hair with a wide tooth comb while the deep conditioner is in my hair, just because my hair is super hydrated right now at this point of my shower, and it's just easier to comb through. Then for conditioner, I'm going to be using the same conditioner as the shampoo, the Pantene Curl Perfection conditioner, and I apply this to my hair. Then I also use the Garnier Fructis Grow Strong conditioner, which I've been using for a really long time. I don't know if it helps my hair grow. I think it does. My hair is really long, so I don't know. You guys can be the judge of that, but I really like this shampoo. Conditioner. It's not geared towards curly hair, but I really like it for my length. And I just apply those two to my hair and then rinse it out. Does anyone else do that? My dad gets so mad at me. Sorry, Dad. So then I just put my hair up in a bun while I'm getting out. And when I'm styling my hair, I already combed it in the shower, but I like to detangle it with this, and this is the Renpure Coconut Whipped Cream Leave-In Conditioner. So I apply this all over my hair, and then I just finger comb it to make sure that there's no tangles in my hair, but since I did that in the shower, pretty much there are no tangles. So I'm going to part my hair kind of like halfway through my hair, and then put the rest of it up and style it from the bottom up. And I'm just going to take the comb and make sure that there are absolutely no tangles, and then separate it in two sections. And I'm going to apply this product. This is the Shea Moisture curl enhancing smoothie. If you have really dry hair, I highly recommend this product because it literally keeps so much moisture in your curls. And I apply a lot of product, and you'll see when I brush it out what I mean. But I take my Denman brush and I just take each little section and just brush through it once, and you can see the product on the bottom, and this is just going to really help penetrate moisture into your curls. And I just freaking love this Denman brush. I got it on Amazon. If you guys are interested, I will link it down below. And I just do this throughout my whole head, and as you can see, I'm brushing it outwards and not down. And then I'm taking a microfiber towel and just kind of pouncing any excess product that might be on my hair. Then I'm going to do the same for the top of my head. I'm going to separate into 2 sections and then do the exact same thing that I did on the bottom. You can get microfiber towels in the car section at Walmart. That's where I got mine, and they work very well for my hair. And like I said, I brush the curls out, not down. That way when they're drying, they're not laying flat on my head. And I just use my wide tooth comb to make sure that there are no tangles before I add this product to my hair. And like I said, I am adding a lot, but that's because I have super dry hair. And also using the microfiber towel to take off any excess product is going to help a lot as well. I'm going to take some of my Bounce Curl Light Cream Gel and just scrunch this over all my curls to kind of seal them. I love this product so much. This is one of my holy grail products, and I highly recommend anyone with curly hair to try it out. So I just laid my edges and I just threw on a little bit of makeup so I don't look crazy. But this is my hair still very wet. So what I do is I like to take some hairspray, and this is just the Herbal Essences Set Me Up Beautiful Bold Hairspray Max Hold. Honestly, you can use any hairspray you like. If you don't like aerosol, you can use like a regular one. This is just one I like, and I like the way it smells. So I just spray this all over my curls and the roots, and then I don't touch my hair. So throughout the day, I will kind of like take the clip off and like move it and just try to like let it dry naturally without touching it at all. And I will see you guys in a couple of hours so I can show you how it looks then. So it's about 7 hours after I washed my hair, and this is how it looks. It is still very wet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my clip out, and I'm going to just kind of fluff it out. I apply a clip in the front of my hair, or sorry, on the top of my hair, just to get it out of my face while it's drying, and so that it just dries kind of back and not forward and flat on my head, just to give a little bit more volume to my roots. But I'm just taking my fingers and going through, separating any of the large curls that may have formed, and then taking my wide tooth comb and just kind of fluffing out the roots. And like I said, my hair is still very wet at this point. Then I'm going to take my diffuser and I'm going to just diffuse my hair. I love my diffuser, and this is just from Target. It was probably like 20 or 25 bucks, like super cheap. There are really expensive hair dryers out there. If that's your thing, do you. I'm not down to spend hundreds of dollars on one. This one works perfectly fine. So I'm just going to put my head upside down and diffuse it. And as you can see, I am working the diffuser more towards the roots than the ends of my hair, because the ends of my hair are pretty much dry, but the roots are still wet. And then I'm going to take my comb, brush it out a little bit, keep doing this until my hair is dry. Then I'm going to flip my hair, and if it's not completely dry, then I will diffuse it a little bit more. And mind you, this is at night, so I'm not going anywhere. If I was going somewhere, I would just let the rest of it air dry. But for the sake of this video, I just wanted to show you guys how I diffuse it, because sometimes you don't have time to let it air dry. And honestly, first day hair is such a pain in the butt, because you never know how it's going to come out. But yeah, this is my hair after everything and all done. Alright guys, so that completes my curly hair routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Let me know what your favorite curly hair products are so I can try them. I've tried a bunch of curly hair products, so if I haven't tried them, then I will definitely try them out. Let me know what you guys think about my curly hair routine. Let me know if you guys like any of these products. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below, and like I said, let me know what your favorite curly hair products are, and also if you guys have tried any of these products that I mentioned. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.